Senator Naismith claims that fecal transplants will make people sick, but he doesn't back up his claim with any actual scientific evidence. He says, I think poop is gross, which is an opinion, not evidence. So today you're going to put together all of your hard work and you're going to write an argument to support the subclaim from the last lesson. Your argument will be used in a press release for the Microbiome Research Institute to help convince people using evidence, not just opinion, like Mr. Naismith. You're going to use your completed reasoning tool to help write your argument. This will provide you with the claim, your evidence, and then how that evidence supports your claim or your reasoning. Let's look at how you'll use it. You will use the first completed row of the reasoning tool to examine how you will write. Arguments usually begin with a claim. To begin your argument, you will write subclaim 1 on your page or document. So you're going to take that directly from your reasoning tool. Next, you will choose the evidence and reasoning, the first two boxes, from one of the rows in the reasoning tool. You will turn these into sentences for your argument. So you'll start with the evidence, and then you'll explain why it matters. Here is an example of how you might start your argument using the claim and information from the first row of the reasoning tool. Bacteria from fecal transplant can fill up the space in the gut, limiting the food and space for invading harmful bacteria. Patient 23's case study data for week 7 showed him to be very sick. It also showed that the antibiotics had killed a lot of bacteria in his gut, which left room for C. difficile infection to start. Week 9, after the fecal transplant, showed that patient 23 was healthy again. This evidence showed that the fecal transplant added bacteria to the gut, which took up space and prevented the infection from growing. You can use one or more of these sentence starters to help you construct and write your argument. You'll find these in the assignment. Some examples are, I think this evidence supports this claim because, I don't think this evidence supports the claim, I agree because, I disagree because, etc. Now that we've gone over how to organize your writing, you're going to put it all together and write your argument to subclaim 1. Remember to use all 3 pieces of evidence and include reasoning explaining why your evidence supports the claim. Good luck, scientists!